In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ban someone from a Discord server. If you manage a community, knowing how to ban a disruptive user quickly and correctly helps keep conversations safe and on topic. Before we begin, make sure your account has the right permissions. You'll need the ban member's permission or an admin role. If you don't see the ban option later, that's usually why. Start by opening Discord and heading to the server where the issue is happening. Once you're in the correct server, locate the person you want to ban. There are two easy places to find them. You can look at the member list on the right side of the screen if your server shows it, or you can find a recent message they've posted in any channel. If their behavior in a particular channel prompted this action, jumping to that message is often the quickest way to confirm you've got the right user. Next, right-click the user's name or their avatar. This opens the context menu that contains moderation tools. Take a moment to double-check you've selected the correct person, especially if multiple members have similar names or profile pictures. From the menu, choose Ban, Username. Discord will open a confirmation window, and this is where you set the final details. First, you'll see an optional field to provide a reason. This note doesn't go to the user, it's recorded in your server's audit log for staff reference. Keep it concise and factual, like repeated spam after warnings or harassment in general chat. Clear notes make it easier for your team to understand what happened later. You'll also see an option to delete the user's recent message history, such as messages from the last 24 hours. Use this if their posts contain spam, hate speech, or other content you don't want lingering in your channels. If you need records for moderation documentation, consider capturing evidence before selecting a deletion window, because once those messages are removed, they're gone for everyone. When you're ready, click Ban to confirm. The user is immediately removed from the server and won't be able to rejoin unless they're unbanned by someone with permission. If you don't see the ban option or the confirmation doesn't appear, check your role permissions or contact a server admin to adjust them. That's the full process. Use bans thoughtfully and consistently, communicate with your moderation team, and keep your audit log reasons clear. With these steps, you'll maintain a respectful, well-managed server while documenting your actions for accountability.